Your bathroom routine doesn't have to be boring or stressful. There are simple gadgets out there that can make things easier and more organized. In this video, I've listed the best 20 Amazon bathroom gadgets that can really improve your daily routine. These are practical items that are easy to use and can fit into any bathroom setup. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. GoBam Bamboo Bath Mat. Enjoy a stylish, versatile floor mat with non-slip rubber pads for safety and smooth waterproof coating for durability. This sturdy design withstands heavy weight and offers rapid drainage, making it ideal for showers, spas, kitchens, and outdoor areas. Its natural aesthetic complements various decors, providing a practical and elegant touch to your living space. Binoxi Toilet Paper Holder Stand. Keep extra toilet paper rolls accessible with this sleek and space-saving freestanding design. Its raised base ensures cleanliness and stability, while the durable, rust-resistant coating blends seamlessly into any decor. Perfect for smaller bathrooms, this stand offers functionality and convenience with a touch of elegance. BryoFox Shower Curtain Rod. Upgrade your bathroom with a durable, rust-proof tension rod featuring industrial styling. The thick stainless steel construction and large non-slip rubber plates ensure stability without drilling. Adjustable length accommodates various spaces, making it perfect for curtains, dividers, and more, with a weight capacity of up to 30 pounds. Hargey's Non-Slip Bathtub Mat. Experience safety and comfort with a durable, BPA-free mat designed with textured anti-slip backing. The loofah-like surface gently massages feet while draining water quickly through its numerous holes. Easy to clean and customizable in size, it's ideal for bathrooms, pools, and other wet spaces. Piezotruf Automatic Soap Dispenser. Enhance hygiene with touchless soap dispensing technology that features a high-capacity tank and adjustable output settings. The sleek, waterproof design ensures durability and mess-free use, while its compatibility with various liquids makes it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Park Mani Toothbrush Holder. Organize your bathroom with a sturdy wall-mounted holder that protects toothbrushes from dust while keeping them dry. Its easy-to-install, adhesive design is suitable for wet environments, while removable components allow for effortless cleaning. StorageWorks Wicker Toilet Basket. Organize bathroom essentials with this hand-woven basket made from sustainable water hyacinth. Featuring 3 divided compartments over a sturdy iron frame, it offers a durable and eco-friendly storage solution. Its natural texture adds charm while decluttering your space. Kosiyuwu Under-Sink Organizer. Maximize space with a 2-tier steel organizer designed for durability and stability. The bottom drawer glides smoothly for easy access, while the rust-resistant coating ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more, it's a practical solution for tight spaces. Hamda Over-the-Toilet Storage. Save floor space with a bamboo shelf featuring 7 open tiers and 2 fabric storage boxes. Sturdy and easy to assemble, it accommodates bathroom essentials and fits seamlessly over most toilets. Its polished finish ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic. Dicisa Razor Holder. Keep razors and accessories organized with heavy-duty stainless steel adhesive hooks. Easy to install and rust-proof, these multi-purpose holders support up to 4 pounds and fit various surfaces. Their anti-skid design ensures reliable performance in wet environments, ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Yigi Hairdryer Holder. Easy installation and compact design make this bathroom organizer a must-have. It offers 3 storage compartments, ideal for hair dryers, brushes, and curling wands, while maintaining a tidy countertop. The adjustable height feature adapts to various cabinet doors, ensuring a perfect fit. Made of durable stainless steel, its sturdy build allows for heat dissipation, safely holding hot tools without taking up precious space, perfect for enhancing your bathroom organization. Danko Suction Rubber Sink Stopper. Flat suction design maximizes sink space while effectively stopping water from draining. Constructed of durable, corrosion-resistant rubber, it fits most sinks with diameters under 5 inches, ensuring compatibility with both kitchen and bathroom settings. The simple white finish complements any decor, offering an elegant and functional addition. This stopper is easy to install and requires no tools, providing a hassle-free solution for keeping water in your sink. Hanobe Bathtub Tray. Transform your bath time into a luxurious spa experience with this handcrafted tray. Designed for convenience, it holds soaps, candles, wine glasses, and towels in designated spots. The rustic look, with matte black handles, enhances bathroom decor. Spanning 31 inches to fit most tubs, its sturdy one-piece design prevents movement or scratches. Made of paulownia wood, this tray requires care to avoid water damage, delivering style and functionality. Cunhill Soap Holder Tray with Drain Soap Saver. Self-draining slots ensure soap stays dry, reducing mess and prolonging use. Compact and lightweight, it fits most countertops and display racks without taking up space. The high-quality silicone construction is soft, durable, and resistant to corrosion, offering a long-lasting, reusable storage solution. Available in simple colors, it blends seamlessly into any decor, providing an efficient and elegant way to keep soap fresh and accessible. McBasil Portable Mini Cleaning Mop. Lightweight and user-friendly, this mop is perfect for quick and efficient cleaning. The high-quality cotton heads provide superior absorption and effective decontamination for spotless results. Its intuitive squeeze handle enables easy one-handed operation, minimizing effort. The deep groove design excels at tackling dry stains, making floors shine. Ideal for various surfaces, the mop is a versatile tool for keeping spaces clean and fresh with minimal hassle. Signrise Bathroom Vanity Light. Crafted with a sleek black metal frame and frosted acrylic lampshade, this light combines modern aesthetics with functionality. The 24-watt LED design offers bright, energy-efficient illumination equivalent to 120 watt, perfect for makeup application. The 360-degree rotatable lamp ensures versatile positioning, while the anti-corrosion, moisture-proof construction suits humid environments. Easy to install, this durable fixture brings contemporary style and practical lighting to your bathroom. Smart Whale Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Enjoy spa-like comfort with customizable water temperature, pressure, and drying levels. Featuring front and rear wash options, this elongated bidet suits diverse needs with feminine, child, and power wash modes. Its self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle ensures hygienic, quiet operation. Ergonomic and luxurious, the heated seat offers adjustable warmth, while the sleek design and soft-close lid add refinement to your bathroom. Toiletry Products Fogless Shower Mirror. Designed for crystal-clear visibility, this fogless mirror enhances your grooming routine. Its anti-fog technology keeps the surface pristine, even in steamy showers. The adjustable angle and squeegee offer added convenience, while the impact-resistant design ensures durability. Easily installed, this mirror is a practical addition for shaving and personal care, helping maintain a clean and organized bathroom. Ozialo Bath Pillow. Ergonomically designed for ultimate comfort, this bath pillow provides excellent support for your head, neck, and back. The breathable 4D air mesh material ensures fast drying and a soft, skin-friendly feel. 6 non-slip suction cups keep it securely in place, while the included mesh bag simplifies machine washing. With its thoughtful design and extra padding, it transforms bath time into a relaxing, spa-like experience. Viken High-Pressure Rain Shower. Experience full-body coverage with an 11.8-inch shower head that delivers optimal water pressure. The combination system includes a fixed overhead shower and flexible handheld attachment for versatile use. The durable stainless steel extension arm offers easy angle adjustment, while anti-clog nozzles maintain consistent water flow. This luxurious and functional showerhead enhances any bathroom, providing a refreshing and satisfying experience every time. Transforming your daily routine has never been easier with these incredible bathroom gadgets. From innovative organizers to spa-like luxuries, these 20 must-haves are sure to elevate your space and simplify your life. Ready to make them yours? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on all our latest tips, reviews, and life-changing product guides. Your dream bathroom is just a gadget away.